This is
look
the
for parking.
parking lot right here.
Anyways,
Now where's
It looks
the
so nice
Starbucks?
right here,
the
guys.
Starbucks is right there. I'll drop you off and then I'll look for parking. So go and line up or
nice.
go some inside.
Wow, the roads so bumpy.
Because it's wet and snowy over here.
They
That's why
have,
they don't like
they have
Oh,
stairs
okay.
on it.
We go.
Wow. Nandito na kami sa market, guys. Pero sarado na yung market. Dito na maglilinya na kami dito sa Starbucks. Ito yung pinakauna-unang Starbucks dito sa Washington nag-start. Nandito na kami, nakapila na kami sa Starbucks. Yung pinakaunang Starbucks kung saan nagsimula dito sa Seattle, Washington. Ayan guys, we're waiting in line to go inside the Starbucks because they only let a few people to go in first. And that's the first ever logo of Starbucks. Welcome to Starbucks, guys, here in Seattle, Washington State.
Okay, done?
Alright guys, it's time to go in. Let's check it out what they have in store. Alright.
Don't touch anything on the left. Thank you.
Alright. And these are all the coffee here. And these are all the souvenir. Wow, I think I'll take this one. $24. These are all the souvenir here. Mocha. We're all gonna get a mocha, just a small one.
mocha.
Yeah.
Small.
We'll just do the tall.
Okay. And then
No cream. And then one tall of a hot chocolate. Yes, yeah, yes.
Ginger bread, oat milk, chai latte.
Oh, you wanna change? You don't want the mocha no more? Ito yung coffee nila. Sale nila to end of the year. Buy one get one free. Ang mura na nito ha. Ang mura na guys. Ito tayo dito oh. Yan. Ay sorry gang. And hi Ali. How does it feel like going into the Starbucks first ever store?
Fun.
How cool. So ito yung binili ko dito guys.
Blue wine?
Ito yung binili namin. Souvenir.
I like the bear.
That's a bear. The Pike Place Market. Dito yan. Ayan yung ano ng coffee. Prank natin dito si Pangging Alex. Hindi picture yung video. Gawin ka sa'yo. Oh wow. Yes.
1, 2, 3,
Nakalibre. Thank you. Alright guys, we stroll around the area, the Pike Market, but most of the stores are already closed. Kahit doon yung ano nila, baboy din gang, no? Yung reindeer nila, baboy. Siguro back in the day, no? Mahilig sila sa baboy. Ayan. Yung ating kape. Okay. Ito pala yung wet market nila. May restroom na rin sila dito, oh. Public restroom na rin. Ito na yung pinaka-ano nila. Oh, say hello to your sister, Ali. Oink! Oink! Right, may malupog yung pa. Kasi dito, ano ha, catch your own fish. Pag na-catch mo, sa'yo na. Ano to, ice lang?
Ice.
Don't touch it, Ali. Yung public market nila dito sa Seattle. Yan.
Okay. I want the pig with the bacon.
Bacon. Laki ng Christmas tree doon sa labas. Sarado na sila guys kasi late na. Nagkape pa kami, pumila pa kami doon sa Starbucks. Dito yun yung pinaka-original na ano ng Starbucks where it all started. Thank you for watching guys. Have a great day.